2, 3, start.
Hello friends, as we know that today we are here for the group discussion, so let's start the session. Friend, Make in India initiative aims to create a job opportunities and help uh, young generation to develop their future. Would you like
Yes,
to
my
say
yes, my
something?
friend. I would like to please let me complete my point. Then you carry on. Okay, you please carry on, my friend. Our government started the Make in India program in 2014. There are many reasons to start this program, like to manufacturing, to India make up manufacturing up and the growth in the GDP, and there are many other reasons. So our government start this campaign. Yes, my dear friend. I would like to say something here. In my opinion, as we know that China is the largest manufacturing hub in the world. So fight directly in the sector of manufacturing. India launched the Make in India plan, because by that Make in India plan, India increase our export and decrease import and boost our economy also. Would you like to say something?
Let me finish my point, then you carry on. So I was saying that Indian government Make in India scheme is launched by Indian government. It is aimed to increase their production. By that they can can increase their export and decrease their import. And it may help in their economy also.
Yes, my dear friend, I would like to
finish
say
my point, then you carry on. So I was saying that Make in India referred to initiative and launched by our Honorable Prime Minister. Started on 20 September and 2014. The goal is to make in India manufacturing hub, attract investment and create a more job opportunity. And it focus on sectors like textile, defense, electronic, mobile phones. Would you like to say
Yes,
something?
friends, I will friend. Let me finish my point first. Then you carry on. So, friends, I was saying that Make in India project is good project for boost our economy, and it will help in manufacturing and boost our economy, and it create job opportunities that persons who have not job, and if they manufacturing in own country, it will help in boost our economy. So Make in India mission is good for boost our economy. So would you
Yes, my
like
dear
to-
friend, I would like to say something here. Friends, Make in India is a good mission, but if you talk about our defense sector, so friends, our government launched multiple missions, multiple projects under Make in India, like AK-203 deal with Russia and Tejas fighter jet for local production, and currently with the help of Russia we are making BrahMos missile and export to other countries, and Make in India is helping our country for reduce the dependency on foreign suppliers.
Yes, friend, I would like to say something, my dear friend. In my views, Make in India economic increase day by day. And friends has been right. Make in India first step. Make in India launched Narendra Modi in 2014. And friends has been right. Make in India increase export our country, the other country. Friends has been right. India is a progress day by day. People are proud. People citizens of like India. And friends has been right. Make India good for our nation. Would you like to say?
Yes, I would like to let me complete my point first after you carry on. So I was saying that Make in India also has them to medium and small size industries, because the foreign companies come to India and setting their factories in India, and they also invest money in India, and which is good for our economy of India, and it is create jobs for a million of pupils in India, which is good for our India.
Yes, my
Would
dear
you like to say something?
Yes,
Carry on. Make in India have 4+ to develop our manufacturing sector. That's our new mindset, new process, new infrastructure, and new process. And Make in India is not only aims to boost our manufacturing sector, but also other sectors. And zero defect and zero effect was slogan was the Make in India. It was funded by our PM Modi, and one was the logo of our Make in India, and Ashok Chakra was presented there. And Ashok Chakra is inspired our success in all spheres.
So I was saying that as far as I concerned, this Make in India have launched by our Honorable Prime Minister in 2014, and the aim of the mission is to increase the export and also this mission that will conditions are friendly conditions because our talented and educated people other countries because of this mission our conditions is also
So I was saying that as you know that China is far ahead to India in manufacturing sector. So friends, as far as you concerned, with the help of this mission, we can give the direct fight to China in manufacturing sector. So this is very good step. Would you like to say?
Yes, my dear friends, so let me complete my point first, then carry on, please carry. Yes, my dear friends, as we know that the investor is invest in our countries and our FDI also will increase automatically and this mission is going to boost in a economic point of view and it's also useful for us. Would you like to
then you carry on. So I was saying that Make in India is a good mission and the main objective of Make in India reduce import and increase export and improve the quality of Indian product. Make in India help a medium-sized grown and foreign country setting up a factory in India which strengthen our technology and infrastructure. Would you like to say?
Yes,